Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about how to create and manage users in FreeAgent software. So for that purpose we'll come in settings option. Okay, here you will get users from where you can add and manage user profiles. Once you click here you will get this kind of display and there is one user who is owner. Okay, and to create new user we'll click on this button. After this we need to fill basic details of the user like email ID, first name, last name, date of birth, and we need to decide role of the user. So let me enter the basic details of the user. After this we need to select the role, whether one is owner, director, partner, or shareholder. Okay, so you will get these many options, out of which you need to select required option. Okay, and its status should be active, and if you want to set password of the user then you can mark this option. And this is user permission. Actually there are 8 levels permission, so you can give permission to the user out of this 8 level. Okay, so I am giving 7 level permission. Okay, so as you can see our user has been successfully added. If you want to make any modification then you need to click on the name of the user. Okay, you can modify the profile of the user from here, and if you want to delete the user then you need to click on delete user button. So in this manner you can create, manage and delete user profiles in FreeAgent software. Thanks for watching.